Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to make sure Microsoft Edge updates automatically, even when you're on a limited or metered internet connection. This is especially useful if you rely on mobile data or want to keep your browser secure at all times. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Click the three dots at the top right corner of the window to open the menu. From there, go to Help and Feedback. Then click on About Microsoft Edge. On this page, Edge will automatically start checking for updates. If an update is available, it will begin downloading right away. Now, to make sure Edge can download updates even when you're on a metered connection, look for the option that says Download Updates over Metered Connections. Click the switch to turn it on. This will allow Microsoft Edge to download important updates, even if you're using a mobile hotspot or any connection marked as limited in Windows settings. That's it. Now, Microsoft Edge will stay up to date, even on metered networks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials.